Sampathi the Great Bird.
The story of the brothers Sampathi and Jatayu is narrated in the epic of Ramayana. Sampathi and Jatayu were huge eagles. They were very strong. Once Sampathi had caught a snake anaconda, and the snake had been caught by the whale. Sampathi was so strong that he flew with the snake in his beak along with the whale. It was quite a scene. After some time, the whale lost its grip of the snake and fell on the hermitage of a rishi. Many disciples of the rishi died. The rishi knew that Sampathi will have to perform a noble task, so he did not curse him. Sampathi and Jatayu loved each other. Once they planned to fly high and enter the sphere of the sun. Sampathi allowed the Yuga Jatayu to fly high and enter the sphere of the sun. Sampathi allowed the Yuga Jatayu to fly high, but when he saw that the rays of the sun were very hot, he rapidly flew over Jatayu and protected him with his big thick wings, spreading them like an umbrella. Jatayu was safe. Sampathi's wings and his body were burnt. He fell down on the peak of Mahindra Parvata. He could not move. The burnt wounds were very painful. Not to be able to fly was a real punishment to a bird. Jatayu felt sorry for his brother. Sampathi remembered the rishi's words and waited patiently. One day Sampathi heard the monkeys talking about Rama and Sita. By that time Sita, the wife of Rama, had been abducted by Ravana. Sugriva, the king of the monkeys, had sent his servants in search of Sita. One monkey teased Sampathi as a lazy bird. Sampathi asked the monkeys to help him to sit, and he had some useful information for them. The monkeys could not move him even a little. Sampathi told them his story and said that Ravana, the demon king of Lanka, had abducted Sita in his Pushpaka Vimana. Sampathi indicated the direction of Lanka. He was telling these to the monkeys, and his wings grew and shone like gold. The monkeys thought they were looking at a miracle. Sampathi flapped his wings and flew into space. Sampathi was blessed for his help. A good deed begets another.